Welcome to the fourth chapter of Thirukkural, a renowned Tamil literature written by Thirukkural. This chapter is all about the power of righteousness. Let's explore the first song of this chapter 4. Righteousness yields good reputation and wealth. Is there anything more precious? This powerful statement emphasizes the importance of righteousness in our lives. Being righteous not only helps us maintain a good reputation but also attracts wealth and prosperity towards us. Acts of righteousness such as charity, honesty, and compassion can go a long way in shaping our character and improving our relationships with others. It's important to remember that righteousness isn't just about following rules and laws, it's about doing what's right and moral in any situation. Sometimes doing the right thing can be difficult, but it's always worth it in the end. It's not just about the outcome, but the journey towards it that counts. So, let's strive to incorporate righteousness in our lives, not just for our personal gain but for the greater good of society. That's it for the first song of Chapter 4 of Thirukkural. Stay tuned for more insightful verses.